Sabi mo na. Hello! So for today's video, mag-unboxing kami ni Ali. May dumating siya na Shopee. Okay. First box, ito muna.
Yes. Let's open it. I'm so excited to see what's in it.
Tignan na rin natin kung kompleto.
Let's see if the order is right. Unboxing.
Hirap naman.
Tatay always scares me.
Aguroy!
This is going to be so cool. I'm excited to see what it is. 3, 2, 1.
Ito lang sa bilang-bilang mo.
It's my soap. What the?
Anong what da? Ano sabi mo? Anong what da ka dyan? Sabi mo what da ha? Uy!
There's 3.
This one is a shampoo. This one is a soap ha? This one is your shampoo. This one is your...
Oh, it's
This one
a
is your
big
lotion.
pack. Oh,
Teka lang! Ito naman si Atat ka din eh. Ano ba yun?
there's an empty plastic here.
Ito yung free.
Huh?
Ito free.
Yung
Lotion.
lotion.
Ito your shampoo. Ito yung baby bath. Ito yung lotion. Tindihan mo?
There's 2
Baka
lotions.
pagpalit-palitin mo, baka ito mong gawin mong shampoo. Sabon mo. Ito malilito.
If I'm going to use this, but if I'm going to use a liquid soap, I'm going to do that. If I'm going to use this, I'm going to open it. Oh no! No. Man. Wow.
Okay naman sa pagkakadikit.
You're going to open this one.
Alin. Ito shampoo ha. Read mo lagi pagka maliligo.
Pag sabing soap, soap yan. Pag sabing shampoo, shampoo.
Siyempre, alam ko yung soap yung shampoo.
What the?
Ay! What the mo ha ako. Tignan mo yung what the na yan.
And I'm just gonna say what?
Oh, what?
What did you say?
What did you say? Oh, next box.
Yes, I'm so excited.
Asan yung gunting?
You're going to be.
Lagay mo nga sa amin yan. Ayun yan.
I'm going to cut it.
So, first box, kompleto, yes.
Now I'm going to cut it.
No!
I don't want to cut it.
Let me just see. Just look, I mean. See ka dun. Ano, dagat? See. Aguroy!
See.
Ang hirap. Hirap nga buksan.
Yung gunting naman ni tatay hindi malaki.
Na yung gunting hindi maano. This one is the shoes.
This is my shoes.
Hindi, akin. Baka akin.
Let's see. Whoa, it's 2 shoes. Oh my, it's my shoes.
Ayaw mo tanggal na.
Let's see. Ito yung shoes ko.
Ganda.
Opo. Kamukhang mango. Yan mukhang kuromi. Tingnan ko.
Okay na mo muna. Oh, wow! ang shoes ni Ali. Teka lang, excited? Excited? Hala na, mukhang maliit. Patingin ng foot. Akin ang foot. Hala. Maliit. Maliit?
Hindi.
Sakto
Hindi
lang.
masakit.
Sakto lang.
Opo, sakto. I-try natin ito.
Ayan. Dali. Try mo.
Ganda.
Guys. Okay, kompleto.
Kompleto ito.
Si basta ano ka? Basta lagay? Hindi na. Teka lang! Oh. Oh, shoes.
It looks like mango. What if I forgot its shoes and I eat it?
Sige nga, eat mo.
Bro, it still looks like mango.
So next.
It looks like you throw it in the trash.
Ay, kay mama ito. Kasi alam niyo naman, mapaniwala tayo sa TikTok, kaya, ayan.
There's
Bumili ako nito. Uy, ang laki. Uy, ang laki.
oh,
Let's see.
I have 1, 2, 3. I have 3.
Teng, sino ka dyan? Oh. Teng, short.
I have 6 orders, and you have 1 order. I mean 2 orders.
Oh, next. Kay Aliyah, pangit.
Hey!
Dito siya. Go!
This is mine.
Walang kay tatay.
Is there actually stickers?
Hindi nalaglag. Oh my God! Ang laki! Sarap na nga! Hindi, sakto lang. Pwede mo yun? Wala
Is
na.
there stickers?
Parang malaki din ito.
Wait, shorts naman yan. Oh, nice.
Sarap ba? Ay! Laki! Parang pantalon! Ano ba ito? Sarap na nga! Oh. Suot. Ay!
It's like we're unboxing and wearing it.
Fashion naman.
And nakakita yung legs ko.
Oo, ganyan talaga yun. Tingin. Huwag mong pakialaman ako na. Halika rito, nabuang naman siya.
We'll take to reveal when we're done.
Teka! Ang kulit! Hindi ka. It's just like this. Yeah. Is it like that? Name. Nandito talaga siya. So, is it okay?
Yeah.
Oh, that's enough mo.
I'm gonna wear this in bed.
Where's that?
What?
Asan yung ano?
They see her armpit.
And so,
Your armpit is too disgusting.
mag-sleep na.
Nope.
Mag-sleep na.
If the vlog is over, we're just going to If the vlog is over, I'm going to sleep. But if it's not,
It's not vlog. I'm just reviewing the orders if it is correct.
what do you say hello, guys?
It's nothing. I just want
Are you gonna
to-
post it?
No, I am not.
Then I'm gonna search. I'm gonna search the calendar to see if you post it.
I'm not gonna post it. Bye.